Commissioner of the Royal Bahamas Police Force, Paul Roll, says electronic efforts are evolving when it comes to officers enforcing government-mandated restrictions in the fight against COVID-19. With borders reopened and access to parks and beaches now approved for use by residents in New Providence, Commissioner Roll explains the Hubcap app by both officials and COVID-related patients remains an important part of the first line of defense against the deadly virus.
The Hubcap process that's ongoing. As you know, we are making some adjustments now that the country is open, and so it is more on the enforcement part of it now with the COVID enforcement unit and making sure that all of these various public spaces, as we try to move more towards the new normal, that we encourage people to abide by those rules. But the monitoring is we're still doing that.
Emergency powers COVID-19 protocols like the 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. weekday curfews in New Providence and Abaco, he says, are not directly being assisted by drones. However, in tandem with an estimated 40 patrol units on the streets at any given night in New Providence, the drones remain a useful tool when added to existing patrols by law enforcement officers as the business of crime continues throughout the COVID-19 pandemic.
The drones, they're not specific for the COVID, but we have been using drones in some other investigations recently. If you're down in one of our drug operations we had in Andros, we deployed drones in that and were able to locate the boat that we suspect brought some drugs in from one of the islands in the Caribbean.